Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you a nice little mod here that I think could help everybody out. Those plastic air dams that always go underneath to push air up into the radiator. I know it's troublesome for a lot of people. It scrapes everywhere, it gets ripped off everywhere. It's just a pain in the neck. Anytime it's damaged like halfway, it'll stop actually pushing air up as well. So we're going to make it so that you're getting direct air all the time without a problem. Don't have to worry about that anymore. So as you can see, I already have the front end ripped apart because I've been doing a lot of different work back here. So like as you can see, I've already done this modification a while ago, but never made a video for it. So let me just do a quick little overview of what I did. That way you guys can tackle it and get yours set up. So first things first, you're going to need a couple things. One, the way to do this the best way, normally you would have like your large bumper absorber going here. You'd also have up in there your wiper fluid reservoir. So what you could do is get a universal wiper fluid reservoir that's much smaller and tack it over like behind the fender over there or over there, depending on the intake system you have set up. That way you get that out of the way. And then for the bumper absorber here, what you can do is you can get a crash bar. They make bolt-on ones as well as weld-on ones. The bolt-on ones will just use your stock mount points here. That way it's tubular. It allows air straight through because the tube will just kind of run right up here and have like a triangle formation here. Then there's literally nothing blocking this way then. As for the bumper, so you see here, I've got a grill here. You can see straight on through it. So what you want to do, you can see I left the fog light mounts there. That way I can still retain those. And then I just cut out this area here. That way all the air can flow through there. Now you can do one of two things. You can either use the mount on here and just zip tie it on, which I've done. It's lasted a long time that way and made it easy for me to mount. Or you could use this here, which is these fog lights here I have are aftermarket LED ones. They come with two short mounts as well as two long mounts. So you can easily bolt that through. You probably just need a shim because of the little angle here and mount it like that. And then for this grill, this is a steel grill that I got off of 6 bar. See, I can pinch these. There's very little movement in them. You want to make sure you get a steel one. The aluminum ones will bend all over the place over here. It will not be uniform. So with that, you can take all the plastics out from back here. Take away the bumper cover if you're getting, or the bumper absorber if you're getting the crash bar. And that way you get air straight through the grill, right to the radiator, and you don't have to deal with that little bottom air dam anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it was informative and will help you do this number here. That way you don't have to worry about any more overheating from a stupid air dam not working properly. All right, take it easy, guys.